Hi. We're doing the B-roll, just a little quick intro. It's a nice little location, quite abandoned. I don't know when's the last time it was used. A couple kitties. That one, his name is Winston. There's another gray one back here somewhere. His name is Kai. Okay, this location, I think they actually used it for farming or something. This is, I think they used to slaughter animals, like for food, pigs or cows, I'm not too sure which. But some say this place could be haunted. We'll actually see. Maybe we catch something, maybe we don't. Who knows? I have my gear with me. Nice trees. Oh, I see spider webs. Gotta watch those. It's almost near dark. You can see the sun setting up there. Probably another hour or so. Wow. This place is huge. I don't know how old this little place is. Holy crap, that's pretty cool. Okay, I'll start again when we go in. Hi, this is TJ from Vault Paranormal at a new location. We're gonna check it out right before it gets dark and see if we're gonna do another maybe 30-minute challenge. Okay, we're going in. Skeleton. Some strange, interesting smells. Oh, birds. Somewhere around here are some bones. Right around here. Yeah.
Pick her up.
No, don't touch.
No.
This finally lady drops her bones over here.
That's what they slaughtered a few hundred
That's
pigs.
Kai. That's Kai.
He did it too, yeah, but the owners did a lot more, right?
Did you ever do like castrations or when they had to cut the balls off?
Remember the pigs squealing, and then they go quiet. The bars will just be snipped off.
Okay, we're going on the side.
Old fridge. 1970s probably.
That looks like an old body over there. That's a jug.
Oh, we better be careful. Yeah, this could be solid.
No readings yet. This is water lines. Take a picture, a couple pictures. Can you imagine if we got stuff on the footage, like animals or something?
This is in my way.
I like this. This is a horror movie waiting to be made.
Yeah.
Definitely. Look at how these little gates where they would put them in, feed them. And then you know what after.
Oink, oink. Are there any pigs here? Oink, oink.
A lot of death happens here.
You like popcorn or something? Okay. Eat there, we'll get check over you.
Winston's not too sure about us. Why are you guys in here? This is where I get my birds, where I hunt.
Yeah, it could be, or like it's huge. My beaver was eating.
Ground feels really soft there in the middle. Pretty creepy, this place.
You have to pay good floodlights. You know how much these are worth? You know how much floodlights are worth?
They climbed underneath here. Let's see if Twilight can do it. Oh no, there's a creepy room over there. Look how dark it is.
If something happens, save the people.
Okay, Guy, you okay, Guy? Yeah?
Camera shot, guy. Where's this car you guys talk about? There's car.
What about that creepy room back there? Look at that.
We can go in that door. That door we used to catch the pigs in, one by one.
Way at the end?
You may find a pair of testicles on the ground. Shivered up.
But later we're gonna go in the hot tub time machine. Hot
Guy
tub.
over there?
I stepped on something.
Oh, you okay?
No,
You still on now?
no, it was just a piece of glass I heard crack.
Did you go for your...
No, it didn't go through my shoe.
Oh, I did. What you stepped on?
That looks like another bone. Maybe a tooth? Yeah, it looks like a tooth.
Or there's a bone shot.
Yeah. Just gotta watch where we step. There's glass over here. Yep, there we go. Here, someone stepped on it. Life finds a way. It's pretty dark in there.
Careful.
That's that broken glass is a light. This is the exit, I guess.
You shouldn't stay too long here with the air conditioning.
Yeah, we should go.
Yeah. Come on, guys. You should remember. No, the shit probably the chicken. It can't be healthy.
The little window. Quit following me.